थळावे आणि जमीन मालका बरोबर गोंयचो एकवट संघटनेन हॉलांत चलपी रेल्वे मार्ग दोट्टीकरणाचें काम यशस्वीपणान रद्द केले. रेल्वे दोट्टीकरणाचें काम परत परत सुरू करपाक रेल्वे प्राधिकरण यत्न करीत आसता आनी त्या खातीर थळावे आक्रमक जायत चल्ल्या.
This was actually in Holland, which is part of the VP Welsam Pali Association. Hinga आज तेणी रेल्वे with a railway protection force came. They're clearing the bushes and the undergrowth and the shrubs. So we got the information from the villagers who were very much agitated that that the railways were going ahead with their double tracking program. We approached them, we convinced the Rail Vikas Nigam employees and the railway protection force that they shouldn't trespass into the private land, and they agreed to our request, and very law and order situation was averted by our timely intervention.
Orville Bab, you think time and again the villagers have to be very vigilant about the railway activities in the villages?
Actually, at the moment, villagers are getting agitated because several attempts have been made to restart the double tracking program by the railways, the construction work. Without even having ownership of that particular land. Here we are talking about land which doesn't belong to the railways. So the Rail Vikas Nigam must understand, that they are coming into a very, they are inviting the tricky situation upon themselves. Now at the moment, Goinsa Court and our large associations or organizations are doing our best to calm down the people, but we don't know how long we can do that. A day will come, then it will be very ridiculous of, for us even to intervene at that moment, because people are getting agitated with this illegal activities. I am clearly saying these are illegal activities by the railway.